Hi guys, today I'm going to talk about the key of the June 2020 paper. I'll give you the analysis as well because most of you have requested me to do an analysis of the June 2020 paper. But from your end, you do one thing on a piece of paper, you write down from where the topics are coming from and number 1 to 3. For example, print, electronic media and film studies or any other paper, just write down the area and from where the topic is coming. So I'll be telling you from where the particular topic is coming from. You just mark it on a piece of paper. So without wasting our time, let's start. So the first question here is a match the following. On one side they have given you element and other side they have given you the description. So the first one is puffery. Puffery basically is from advertising. So the puffery is basically where you blow up something. Give it in a huge proportion. For example, you might be promoting a product. So for that you might praise the product too much. So that is puffery. And then pseudo events. Now pseudo events basically it is regarding public relations, because what does pseudo mean here? Pseudo basically means false. So people conduct false events as well, and this happens in public relations. False events also can be done to justify your side of your story, selling a product or a service. And then the third thing is name calling. Name calling is a traditional propaganda method. So if you want to demonize your opponent, you can simply call him some names. For example, Bhakt is something which normally nowadays they are using. Shehzada. These things are something which you give names to your opponent so that you destroy their reputation or basically destroy their credibility. And then the third one is grapevine. The fourth one is grapevine. Basically grapevine, as you all know, it's informal communication. So this is the first bit. The second bit, the relation between text and social structure is mediated. So text and social structure, the relation between them is mediated. The third bit, the commercial content in mass media is often referred to as noise. Now understand, commercial content in mass media is often referred to as noise. Why noise? For example, let's take a news channel. Now commercial content in a news channel can be those advertorials or ads which are paid by a company or a organization. So this can be your noise in the entire day of a news broadcast. So here the commercial content in mass media is often referred to as noise. The limitation of action against contempt of court is of. The answer for this is 1. Only 1 year is the limitation of the action against contempt of court. So this is from media laws. So one question from media laws. One separate book you keep for concepts and one separate book you keep for theories. So in one book you can write the concepts, and then in one book you just write a gist of a particular theory with a heading. Apart from that, for concepts you read, you make a note of it, and then you also cover the Oxford Dictionary for the concepts. So moving on to the next one. Creating a perceived difference in the minds of the consumers between an organization's brand vis-a-vis competition is called basically product differentiation. What you are doing here is you are creating a perceived difference in the minds of the consumers between one brand to another brand. So that is product differentiation. For example, you can take the example of NDTV. What it is trying to do is that we are giving you fair journalism, which is only aimed at differentiating it from the other television channels. So that is product differentiation. The next question, in which one of the following theories are attributes of the whole not deducible from the analysis of the parts of an advertising in isolation? So Gestalt theory. The answer for this is Gestalt theory. The next one, Identify the correct chronological sequence of following presidents of Indian Newspaper Society. So chronological sequence of presidents are very important. Then once they also ask the chronological sequence of Information and Broadcasting Minister. So you also prepare for that. Even journalists in a particular organization, sometime questions might come on that. In a television news organization, arrange in chronological order the different journalists who were part of the organization, the editors who were part of the organization. So here the chronological sequence for the presidents of Indian Newspaper Society is basically G. Narasimham, then Upendra Acharya, Kundan Vyas and Ashish Bagga. Which one of the following is the most appropriate function of public relations? So before you had a question on advertising, mark it as 1. Now public relation, mark 1. So here, which of the following is the most appropriate function of PR? So the answer for this is basically it is maintaining minimum relations on a continuous basis with stakeholders. Yes, the other options are functions of public relations, but this is the most important one. It is maintaining minimum relations on a continuous basis with stakeholders. The next question is assertion and reason. So what is the assertion? The Latin American view of development communication was not being in the world. So this is the assertion. Now with assertions and reason, first thing you do is that you find out whether the assertion is true and whether the reason is true and whether the reason is accurately explaining the assertion. So the assertion is the Latin American view of development communication was not being in the world. And then the reason for this is their concept of development communication introduced a high level of epistemology aimed at understanding social reality. Now for this one, the answer is the Latin American view of development communication was not being in the world. This is a false statement. So the answer for this is 4. A is not correct, but R is correct. Write the correct sequence of the following media events. Now the first, they have given you 4 bits. You have to arrange it in a chronological order. Which thing came first? So normally in all my videos I have been telling you that you have to study the entire field in a sequence, not in bits and pieces here and there. You should not study. So basically the first thing is D, Areopagitica, and the second one is Licensing Act, and then you have Virginia Bills of Rights and the first amendment to the US Constitution. This thing will be covered if you study the Mass Media Theory book by Davis and Bharin. I think they already give you when a chapter is started, they give you things in a chronological order. It is your job to do research on those direct historical events in American journalism which they give you in the book. So read Mass Media Theory by Davis and Bharin. So okay, let's move on. Which of the following are to be considered while editing a news copy? I think for the first time they are giving questions of your classroom knowledge as well, because these things are taught in the classroom. So the question is, which of the following are to be considered while editing a copy? So the answer for this is basically group noun should always be considered as singular, and then you have being consistent in spelling, and then you have the option D, keeping paragraph short. So this is taught in basically your editing a news copy class, where they tell you how you should edit a news copy. So the first option is group nouns should always be considered as singular, and then being consistent in spelling, and apart from that keeping the paragraphs short. Don't miss your mass comm classes, that's what I'm telling you. Which film of Shyam Benegal is broadly based on the life of well-known Marathi stage and film actress of the 1940s, Hansa Wadkar. Hansa Wadkar. Shyam Benegal made a film on Hansa Wadkar, and the answer for this is Bhumika. So directors and films, whether it's international, whether it's Indian, they ask you all the time. So don't leave it out. Especially famous directors. The next question. Identify the logical sequence of developmental phases. Basically, the first step is you identify problems. So C, and then the second step is you set goals, goal setting, and then planning a procedure, and then assessing an action, assessing actions. Although you have executing actions also, but here what they have given, the correct option is C, D, B, A. The next question. Social change training model in development communication has its root from the following. Social change training model in development communication has its roots from. The answer for this is basically Western social psychology and Latin American educational communication. So I think 2 questions from development communication. I hope you are marking it down. William Hatchen proposed the following normative theories that are spread all over the world. Normative theories, all the 6 you should remember. The answer for this is basically Western revolutionary and authoritarian. So they will not give you the direct names. They will use a substitute of those names. So very important to know that. The next question. Measurement in mass media, particularly in terms of space and time, is applied at the ratio level. So the answer for this is ratio level because it has an absolute 0 value. Calculating sampling error is most appropriate with basically probability sampling. When you use probability sampling, you can calculate the sampling error. So I guess 2 questions on research. I hope you are taking it down. Filmmakers of the Soviet montage movements used which of the following methods in their work? So Soviet montage movements, they are basically, these are the things which they have used. The first thing is basically tonal editing and overtonal editing and intellectual editing. So the option for this is 2, B, C, D. Film studies, what were the contribution from the Americans, what were the contributions from the UK, then Soviet Union. It is very important to study that. The influence of theatre on filmmaking, those realism, neorealism, those things has to be covered. And then earlier film history, how short was created, who created it, what was the first cut, what were the first few movies, those things have to be covered. Again, assertion and reason. Assertion, freedom of speech and expression should not be extended to Indian companies in the light of constitutional mandate. The reason for this is the Indian constitution does not recognize the companies as citizens, and any proposal to provide such freedom needs a constitutional amendment. The reason here is correct. So the option for this is 4. A is false, but R is true. The critically acclaimed movie Black, which got many national awards, was directed by. So Black was directed by Sanjay Leela Bhansali. This is a repeat question. Assertion and reason. Any feminist media eruption produces new theoretical framework in the media studies. The reason for this is feminist structural narratives have survived despite post-feminist arguments aimed at the patriarchal backlash. So obviously the assertion which says that any feminist media eruption produces new theoretical framework in the media studies is true. Any social feminist movements also produce new media theories, which is new theoretical frameworks in media studies. It is true. And then The reason also is true. Feminist structural narratives have survived despite post-feminist arguments aimed at the patriarchal backlash. So even if it's a patriarchal backlash, feminist structural narratives have survived, and hence the correct option here is 1. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Moving on, which of the following are the rules of composition in photography? So photography, what are the rules of composition? Rule of thirds is there. You have the golden ratio, and then you have rule of odds. So these are basically related to the composition of photography. Electronic media, you put a mark over there. According to an official who had information on the meeting yesterday, the CEO told the department heads that there would be layoff. This is an example of what kind of account? So basically, some official told that CEO has said something. So this is basically a third-hand experience. So the answer for this is 3, third-hand. So you're getting information not directly from the source, from another person. Next question. In advertising strategy, which one of the following has a direct bearing on the creative strategy and the media strategy? So the answer is very simple. The target audience, because all your messages are based on your target audience. The layout activity in a modern print newspaper involves the following elements. The layout activity. So what are the elements you keep in your mind while doing the layout of a print of a page? So the correct answer for this is obviously contrast, B, and then you have gaze motion, how your eyes moves around a copy, and then the answer is E, basically grids. Grids are basically how you are arranging your columns or your rows. Next question. Which of the following film directors was part of Dogma 95 filmmaking movement started in 1995? So the answer for this is Lars von Trier. So film studies. So 1 mark for film studies. The diffusion model assumes that a proper combination of two things can move individuals from a process of awareness of technology to adoption of that technology. Which are the two things? Basically, the answer for this is non-mediated and interpersonal communication. Models of development are very important. As the following, on one side you have the technique and the other side you have the proponent. So bounce lighting is given by Subrata Mitra, and Accented Cinema is by Hamid Nafisi. Camera Stylo is by Alexandra Astur, and Distancing Effect is by Bertolt Brecht. Moving on, Stuart Hall described the television viewers as cultural dopes. Cultural school is very important, critical school is very important. The doctrine of privileged documents is related to the law of, the answer is here, evidence. The doctrine of privileged documents is related to the law of evidence. Two perspectives that influenced propaganda theory in the 1930s are. So propaganda theory is influenced by behaviorism and Freudianism. Another match the following. On one side you have the films and the other side you have the directors. So directors, Stanley Kubrick made Lolita, Victoria de Sica made Shoeshine, G. Luc Godard made My Life to Live, and Andrei Tarkovsky made The Sacrifice. In Daniel Lerner's model of social development, what two functions does mass media perform that are conducive to modernization? The answer for this is mass media advocates and supports modernization. Moving on, traditionally, what is the major objective of most marketing programs? The answer for this is to sell a product, service or idea. So major objective of marketing programs are to sell product, services or ideas. International communication theories are drawn from the following conceptual framework. So basically the answer for this is 1. Theories of representation, reception theories and theories of identity. So international communication theories are drawn from these frameworks A, C and D. The next question is a match the following. On one side you have the first newspaper publisher and on the other side you have the country. So Egelnoff ML produced his newspaper in which country? So Egelnoff ML produced the newspaper in Germany. Thomas Archer produced in England. Benjamin Harris produced in the United States. And James Augustus Hickey, as you know, the Bengal Gazette, it was published in India. So in the comments do mention the names which I have mentioned now and what are the newspapers which they have published for the first time in so and so country. Now the next bit, what is the importance of research in public relations? Basically research in public relation is used to formulate strategies and then to prevent crisis, very important, and to measure success. For example, you are running a PR campaign, so you formulate strategies, then you follow the steps of the thing, and then in the end you measure success. Here option C is for prevention of crisis. Obviously PR also deals with crisis communication. So research in public relations is also very important. So I hope you are given a mark to public relation as well on a piece of paper. Arrange the following organizations according to the chronological order of their formation. So which organization was formed first? Here all Indian newspaper as well as advertising organizations are given. So you have to arrange it in a chronological order. So the correct sequence here is Indian and Eastern Newspaper Society. Then it became Indian Newspaper Society. And then All India Newspapers Editors Conference. And then you have Indian Language Newspapers and Advertising Agencies Association. Another task, give me the names and years of these organizations in which year they have started in the comment section. Now arrange the following books as per the chronological order of their publication. So which book was published when, and according to that you have to give the chronological order of this. So the answer for this is The Process of Economic Growth, and then you have The Passing of Traditional Society, The Achieving Society, and Mass Media and National Development. Mass Media and National Development, if I am not wrong, it's 1964. Passing of Traditional Society, 1956. So again, give me the book and the years and the authors in the comment section. This is an exercise for you because you have to memorize it. The next question, find out the correct sequence of media research phases as suggested by Wimmer and Dominic. So any media, first thing is that you do research on the medium itself, then the uses and uses of the medium, and then after that the media effects and media improvement. If you have studied Wimmer and Dominic properly, this bit would have been very easy for you. So the correct answer for this is A, D, B, C. Media texts can be used for, basically media text, the uses is basically one for solace, identification and escape. The other two bits are basically you volunteer acquisition, you obviously acquire the media whichever you want to use, and predictable statements are not related to this question at all. So media text can be used for solace, identification and escape. Which of the following are the characteristic features of positivist paradigm in research? So A, uses quantification, B, mostly employed in natural sciences, and C, uses hypothesis. Post-positivism and Lazar's field, please read that. Post-positivism and Lazar's field. match the following. On one side you have the theory, on the other side you have the proponent. So the answer for this is inoculation theory is given by William McGuire, and social judgment theory is given by Muzaffar Sharif, and cognitive dissonance theory Leon Festinger, and cognitive consistency theory is given by Robert Abelson. So that's why I'm telling you to make a theory book. On one side you have the write the proponent, what is the theory when it was proposed, and in gist what the theory is all about. So on one side you have match the following, on the other side you have the editors. So Times of India, Robert Knight, very famous person in journalism, Robert Knight. And then you have the Madras Mail is by Sir Charles Lawson. The Leader, C.Y. Chintamani was part of it. Deccan Herald, Potan Joseph. So newspaper and editors. At what point one editor was there also is very important, because they can simply give you the chronological orders of editors of a particular newspaper organization. For example, Times of India might come, then they will ask you 4 editors, arrange the 4 editors in the chronological order. For example, Robert Knight, one of the earliest editors in Times of India, then the sequence of the editors following him. Then the next bit, one side of the match the following you have graphs, and at the other side you have description, research bit. So the answer for this is line graph is basically used to show changes in data relationship over a period, and then histograph presents a frequency distribution. Lorentz curve gives you 2 quantitative variables, and pie charts shows pie charts represents components parts. So in pie chart, basically different components, you remember the circle and you divide the circle based on different components. The next one, the closer the event, the bigger the story. The proximity refers to which one of the following? The media institution's headquarters. So proximity is one of the principles of news, and proximity is the closeness to the media institution's headquarters. Apart from that, even proximity to the readers. Here the answer is the media institution's headquarters. Another match the following. On one side you have the theory, and the other side you have the author of the theory. Cultural synchronization is given by Habermas. Cultural imperialism is given by J. Tomlinson, and then corporate colonization has been given by C.S. Hamling. Hybridization is by J. Rove and B. Schelling. Simon Cutlip listed public relations assistants to marketing functions. They are basically, the answer for this is arranging for public appearances of marketing spokesperson, and then you have probing public opinion in market areas, and assisting programs concerning consumerism. So ACE, how public relations assists marketing functions. Arrange the following films of Girish Karsavelli. Now Girish Karsavelli, basically his films we have to arrange. This is also a common type of question they ask in UGC NET. They simply give you a director and his films, and then you have to arrange it in a chronological order. So the answer for this is Mane, and then Gulabi Talkies, Gatta Shraddha, and Dvipa, and Kurmavatra. Sorry for the pronunciation. So the answer is EDBCA. The next question on research. When a case study researcher prepares a document containing the procedural details before conducting a pilot study, the document is called, the option here is study protocol. So every research you need a study protocol so that you can follow a proper procedure while conducting your research. So guys, this is the first 50 questions of the June 2020 Mass Communication paper 2, and in the next video I'll put the next 50 questions. So do like and share it with your friends. If you have any doubts, do put it in the comment section, And before leaving, just find out who Ray Tomlinson is, and put it in the comments. So guys, all the best, keep working hard, thank you.